guys!
Hey everybody!
So today we are taking you with us doing what?
Well, we're going to Walmart and we're trying to organize our small closet space because pretty much the only closet we have.
Yeah, it's the only
and
closet.
it's filled with to like the brim with clothing. So we are going to like try to find organizing things to organize it.
Yeah.
So that's the plan.
And maybe raise our bed because we have the Christmas tree there. We have like beach chairs and all kind of stuff in this one closet. That's the one thing. As you guys know, I was in New York when we decided on this apartment, so I actually never saw it before we got it.
I saw it, but I don't think we thought much about the closet space.
Didn't think about it. I figured there would be one downstairs, like a broom closet or whatever, but there is not.
I felt like when we saw it, when I left, I felt like I thought there was a broom closet
Yeah.
or some type of like closet downstairs, but there wasn't. I think that was just another apartment that I looked at. But anyways, so we don't have a lot of space, so we're just trying to make space for the closet.
Yes. So we're gonna take you with us as we look at stuff. Our goals are to get space saver bags, to raise our bed, so to get lifters, and also maybe something for a shoe rack. So we'll bring you back when we're shopping, and then we will eventually show you the before and after of our closet.
Fun times.
There's Walmart.
Everybody, so we are at Walmart and we're trying to figure out pricing, because a lot of things are priced down. But anyways, we found these vacuum seal like clothes hanging storage bags. So we're gonna get these, and this one is $7.76. We found another one that's not the same price, but we're hoping that it is, but we don't know. And then we also found these shoe racks. This one's $16.13. But the regular price is how much? 23 or 26?
I think $26.88 is the regular price.
Yeah, and this holds like 16 pairs. We are thinking we need 2. I don't know how many pairs of shoes we have, but we do have a lot.
Yeah, because if we put these side by side, then I don't think they'll get into our hanging clothes because they're lower.
Right.
Like, they're stackable. But there's also this one, which is 30 pair, but it's high. It's taller. So $26.88, and then if we 16, hopefully maybe they're both marked down. That would be amazing because you save $10 on each.
That's what we're hoping for.
That's what we're hoping for.
We don't know.
Eesh. Well, so new game plan. We decided that we are going to get 3 of these 4 tier racks, which hold up to 12 pairs of shoes, and we're going to put them all along the bottom of our closet. These are only $7.44.
Yeah, it just seems to make more sense. We can hold more. And say if we have, if this is too much for our shoes, we can also put other things on there, like the jeans that we have at the top on there.
Exactly. Oh, that's smart. Yeah. We still are looking for maybe some open shelves that we can put on top of our closet. Oh, we also decided we're going to get one of these because this has 2 garment bags, and we really just want to use it for giant coats because we have a lot of giant coats.
But we don't wear them because it's LA.
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
Need jackets like we did in New York.
In New York, we needed them, but now we're like, we can throw that under. Oh, also we're going to go get some a bed riser, but they're out of them. They would be $5.60 something here, but they're out of them. So we're going to go to Target and see what they have. So these, literally 3 of these shoe racks is only
$21.
$21. And if they're hideous, they're inside of our closet. It's not like you're going to see them.
It's just for storage.
Literally just purely storage. So we're not trying to be designer if it's literally going to be shut behind our closet doors. So yay!
Yay!
New closet, 2019. Everything is $32.99. Stop number 2. Target or Target. Room essential bed risers. This is what we're looking for. A 4-pack is $7.99. Also, they have one. This is $24.99, and it comes with a power outlet and a USB port because we live in. Opening the box right now for the shoe rack, and it looks like it's gonna be tall enough, honestly. Like four racks. I mean, it's plastic, but it was also $7, and again, it's gonna be hidden. I think this is gonna be okay.
It should be fine.
Yeah.
I think that I think 3 pairs can fit on each.
Yeah, I think 3 on each would be 12. I mean, depending on how big the shoe is and what the boots are. We'll bring you back when it. Anyone who doesn't know, Jarrell has a severe shoe addiction. So he has shoes in 2 other places, 2 other houses. He has shoes downstairs. He has shoes filling our closet. And then I didn't even realize he had all of these shoes under the bed.
How did you not know? You never looked under the bed.
I never look. Why would I look under the bed? Also, look how tall our bed is now. It's like there's Jarrell's waist. But there's so much space under there now. We had like all these. Look at all these like costumes, our Flintstone costumes, and our Greek warrior, my Greek warrior scrubs. It's crazy what's under there. But now we have all this space under there. So, and look, our Christmas tree is gonna be able to slide right under there. Space saver. So this is them already. I'm laughing because we went from no shoe racks to 3 shoe racks, and it's gonna go all along the bottom. And I'm actually glad that we didn't get. I'm glad we didn't get the tall ones, babe, because I think even this is probably going to grace the bottom of some of our clothes. So, yay, we'll let you know how it all goes. But right now we are about to try to
lift this bed.
Lift this bed. That should be ridiculous. We have probably, what do you think, 7 coats in here?
Probably.
And so in order to close this, you have to pinch Ziploc. There's not even like a slider.
Okay, let's see if it works, you guys. Oh, it's working. It's actually stucking.
Okay.
Let's see how thin it gets.
Now let's see how small this gets.
That's pretty fast too.
Yeah, I've never used one of these.
It's shrinking.
It is shrinking, slowly but surely.
It's working.
Yeah. All right, look at this. I think there's more to go too. Wow. I think it helps too if you like.
But I don't know. Anyways, it's working, you guys. Yay!
Alright, you guys, here's the finished product. Look, with them in, they go all the way down, and everything is nice and folded all the way down on top. I still think we should maybe get some like drawers or something that we can put on top of there, but yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing us revamp this closet. Don't forget to subscribe. It's at Booze Cruise, at BOOSCRUIZ, because you're worth it. And we'll talk to you soon. Love you guys.